What's going on, everybody? Al here. Street Scents. I got a friend here. He's gonna smell Dior Sauvage. What do you think of Dior Sauvage? He's kind of leaving. I need a little help over here. Hold on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Dior Sauvage, my scent of the day. My guest is the albino snake. What do you think of this fragrance? He likes it. Dior Sauvage Parfum is a great fragrance. It's a great fragrance. It's the new release from Dior. I can't even speak because the snake is so heavy. Check it out. I guess
Let's
over
see
here.
his face.
Hold on a second. He's leaving me. Help me. I need help over here. Can you help me out over here?
Yo, Butter's like some move a lot.
I'm trying to film and he's like leaving me. One more shot.
Let's smell this, bro. Let's smell this.
So, hey, keep filming. This is Street Scents right here.
That's yours or that's Sauvage?
What do you think of Dior Sauvage? I have a YouTube channel called Street Scents. So we're filming right now. Yeah, check it out.
Is it only with colognes?
Only fragrances. What do you guys think of Dior Sauvage?
Sounds good.
Parfum.
Oh, there's a fly in there, bro.
Yeah, that's the logo. It's Dior Sauvage Parfum.
I think I'll wear that to go out with a girl. I will take this to Sapphire. The SmackDown.
To where?
Sapphire. Her candy ass.
Sapphire. What's that, a club? Okay. So what do you give that 1 out of 10?
I'm gonna give it. Let me spit it on my board.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. 9.5. 9.5.
9.5?
No. 9.562337. There you go. Remember, no cologne is a 10.
Let the snake smell it. Let's see what the snake thinks.
Oh, there it is. Smell this.
Nah, I don't think he likes it. Would you rock that seriously?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah? You ever hear of Dior Sauvage?
Not yet. First time.
There's actually 3 formulations. There's the Eau de Toilette, the Eau de Parfum. That's pure parfum.
Oh, it is. No water mixed, okay?
Nah, no water mixed. You think that will last?
Let me see. Let me smell it again.
Yeah, smell it again. Get him smelling it again.
Yo, where you from?
What you rate it? 9.5?
9.5.
9.5. What do you rate this?
I'll give about 9.3.
9.3? Yeah. All right, there you have it. The snake guy is over here. See, nice enough to let us. What's the snake's name?
Alfredo Fettuccini and Chapo Guzman.
Oh, I like the
Look at that.
fettuccine.
The snake. This is definitely an episode of Street Scents that I didn't expect to
His
do.
name is Domino's Pizza and it's Pizza Hut.
And what do these snakes eat?
Rats, chickens, cats, and little small kids with
Now listen
Jordans.
up, guys.
Little kids with Jordans, we give them that to eat.
What is this? Oh,
That's the Burmese python.
Burmese python albino, right? Yeah, beautiful snake. Man. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Remember, Street Scents.
Street Scents Central Park, Dior Sauvage Parfum, a great fragrance. They approve.
Like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on the bell notification.
There you go. You said it great. Thank you so much, man. Another episode of Street Scents Central Park, New York City, making it happen. Snakes.